Happy Hoarder here, and I am participating in Tammy and Marna's Doll Flapper Challenge. I actually found this doll in a goodie bag from my favorite thrift store. And how perfect is she for this challenge? Now, originally I was going to try adding some yarn that I had that's called eyelash yarn to see if I could make that flapper look, but it did not work. I just added liquid leaf, and I also added some gold tones to her fringe, and then I added the gold eyeshadow, of course. I did repaint her eyes to green because I thought they'd look so much nicer with the purple, and I added the highlights and lowlights to her hair. I also touched up her pearls. They were gold, and it made them look more like pearls. And after doing this video, realized I had not put on her earrings, so I added her earrings. Thanks for watching. Bye!